all of them. Like, my favorite thing to do is make fun of the notes that Julie and Erica leave each other. It is so funny.
She and I started racing them every day.
Oh my god.
So
Julie, I'm Sarah. I love you. I'm gonna start writing you guys notes about where I am. I'm gonna be like, Danielle, I went to class at 9:15 and I told my boyfriend that I'm gonna kick his ass. Love, Erica. Please write that on my board. Love you, Julie.
I'm gonna make a video about our lives as college students. This is what we do.
Oh wait, let's go read, guys. I shouldn't be in here.
Hi.
come back here.
No,
You sit on the
because
exercise
of
ball.
the
It's almost
party
like
and, like-
exercising. If you sit on the exercise ball, it's almost like exercising.
Yeah.
I just have a couple more pages.
Okay,
Finish it.
Okay, and then
Stop.
I have to give it to Amy. I told Amy I'd give
Okay,
it.
well, Amy's not going to read it tonight. We know Amy. So.
Well, I realized that, but I told her I'd give it to her, you know?
Oh my god, and they said that Amy was really laid back and that nothing affected her, and I'm like,
Why are we talking about people?
it was funny.
I don't get it. Quit it.
Pose.
Quit it.
I want to use my new camera.
Like,
Yes.
it's pretty cool. Can I see it?
It's still recording. If you want to see.
Wow. Somebody while you're looking
That's
at
ultra hip.
It's an HD one. It was like 170.
That's so
Holy
Yeah.
shnikey pants.
Nike
Yeah.
pants. Nike pants.
That's my ball that I never use.
What?
My ball that I never use.
One ball.
Oh, I need.
It's my Christmas present.
Sarah, I need to get you a magnet.
No.
We make more dance videos soon.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I made a dance video over break with my little cousin.
Totally posting this on Facebook.
Oh.
Ow, just cracked. Did you hear me crack my
Crack your butt.
Oh my. That sounds like I have like junk.
I'm sure junk jingles like that.
Yeah.
It does if you have keys down your pants. I'm thinking of the dance moves. And
The skin move.
okay, I'm done dancing.
Yeah, it's gonna be too